In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Trello board connected so events and deadlines can flow right into your calendar, keeping everything in one place. Start by opening Trello in your browser and signing in. From the home screen, head to your boards view and open the board you want to connect. Choose a board that actually uses due dates on cards, since that's what your calendar will pick up. With your board open, look for the power-ups icon near the top of the screen. This is where you add extra features to a board. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel. In that panel, select Add Power-Ups to jump into Trello's directory of integrations and extensions. Use the search bar and type Google Calendar. You'll see several results, but the one we're using here is called Google Calendar Integration by Adonin. Click that option to open its details page. This integration is designed to bridge your Trello cards and Google Calendar so you can view tasks and deadlines alongside your meetings. It's a great way to avoid double booking yourself and to make sure upcoming work is visible in your daily schedule. On the integration page, click Get It Now. At this point, Trello may redirect you to a Marketplace page to complete installation. If you're prompted to sign in to the Microsoft Marketplace, go ahead and sign in with the account you use for Marketplace apps. This step verifies the add-on and allows it to be added to your Trello board securely. After you sign in, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and return to Trello. Trello will add the power-up to your board, and you'll see it listed in your board's power-ups. From here, the integration can guide you through any remaining connection steps, like confirming access to your Google Calendar and choosing which board or lists to sync. A few helpful tips as you go. If you don't see the power-ups icon or can't add one, you may need board admin permissions, or your workspace plan may limit the number of power-ups per board. If the search doesn't show the integration right away, double-check your spelling and filters. Allow pop-ups in your browser if the Marketplace window doesn't open, and once everything is connected, keep using due dates on your Trello cards. That's what ensures your tasks appear in Google Calendar. That's it. You've connected your Trello board to Google Calendar using the Google Calendar integration by Adonin, making it easier to stay on top of your schedule and your tasks.